Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going through the financial numbers that you must know. These numbers are like the wealth checking report that can let you know if your repair shop is having a good wealth status. Once you know how to read your financial report, then I will give you some ideas how to improve your wealth situation. I know how it feels like to ask you to look into the financial reports. Frankly speaking, I always say kill me please whenever my accountant asks me to review my financial statements. So in today's video, I won't talk about any difficult professional financial statements like the balance sheet, as I will suggest you to consult your accountant or the attorney. On the flip side, what I want to share with you is the handy checking points that you can review your shop monthly, and it also will help you to have a great and clear idea how healthy is your financial status. These checking points came from my very personal experience at my business startup stage. At that moment, I have very limited money and a very tight budget. I don't have sufficient cash flow and I don't have enough money to invest on too much inventory. But by focusing on these checking points, my business survived and keep growing. So, if you are the ambitious shop owner who is eager to increase your revenue and profit, I'm confident our video can come up with some help. Or if you are new to our auto repairing industry and is about to start your own business, you must keep on watching, as our checking points can help you not only to prevent the unnecessary costs, but also can help you to generate necessary income. So let's dive into the point 1 directly, and that is the unique car count price. Alright, the unique car count price equals to the monthly revenue divided monthly car counts, which means your monthly revenue equals to the unique car count price plus the total car counts. Yes, it's as easy as you can see. I know the smart you now can imagine. If you want to increase your monthly revenue, there are two ways to do that. Either you increase the unique car count price or you increase the total car counts. But before that, keep track on your daily sales upon each repairing case, which is the car count. It will take about 6 months to a year to get a draft idea how much is your unique car count price and how much you can get the total car counts in a month. Then take the next year as an opportunity to observe your busy season versus the low season. Example, the 1 to 2 weeks before the summer vacation or the Halloween, Thanksgiving, and the Christmas holiday, you will be extremely busy as everyone wants to maintain their car for the coming holiday trips. And after that, the business will as quiet as you may doubt if the doomsday is arriving. But as I always say in the video, this low season is the best timing for you to set up your strategy for the busy season. So with that being said, cheer up and go to check our videos, as we already give you so much idea that can increase your sustained car counts and boost your business. Now, back to our unique car count price. Once you have that number in your mind after you track your business, then you can reach out for the methods that can increase the unit price. Example, in my case, I will start to think, wow, is there any possibility that I can increase the service that related to my customers' vehicles? Do my customers need other regular maintenance when they come to my shop for the transmission repairing? Because it's my duty to check the vehicle's other parts to make sure the vehicle is in a good status. And I will also reminding them of changing the oil, changing the air filter, and the other consuming parts if needed. This is one of the many ways that I can build up the customer relationship and increase the unique car count price. Alright, apart from the unit account price, there is one more important number you must pay attention to, and that is your hourly job cost. Let me explain this. What you are selling in your shop is your expertise and your time. Your time is a very crucial factor in the whole business. While you are tracking your monthly revenue, remember to divide the revenue by the amount of time your guys working on the vehicles. Example, let's say you have total 360 hours per month for your mechanics payroll, and which is $18,000. Then you will get your hourly job cost, which is $50. This number say the labor cost for your mechanics to work per hour. Now imagine this, if there is a car owner come to your shop asking for the oil change that will cost around $49.95, you will wish your mechanics to finish that job within half an hour. Otherwise, this oil change job won't generate any profit to the shop. Once you have this hourly job cost, you start to have a calculator in your mind. If you need 7 hours to fix a car shock absorber, plus the profit you want to mark up, then you will know how to give the reasonable quotation to your customer. Oh, by the way, don't forget to add up half an hour to 1 hour for road test or computer diagnosing time until your cost evaluation. Next, let's see our point number 3, and that is the break-even point. While you are tracking down your monthly revenue, there is one more financial number I want to add up, and that is your monthly expense. The monthly expense includes the shop building fee, mechanics payroll, the facility fee, and etc. This expense number is telling you the basic necessary cost no matter you have the income revenue or not. With this number, then you will get a break-even point, which means have no profit or no loss at the end of that month. If you want to earn the profit, you have to focus on the revenue is higher than the break-even point. Either you increase the revenue or you cost down the monthly expense. Well, if you own the shop building yourself, that's terrific. And I would suggest you to charge your business to pay you a little bit rent for the future refurbishment use. Meanwhile, as we discussed in our previous video, to specialize in a specific car brand or the repairing field is also great, as it can help you to minimize the amount of the tooling cost. So, there are some automotive shops only focus on a specific car brand instead of working on any brand of cars. By specializing yourself in a specific car brand, you are building your garage the authority to become an expert in that field. Okay, the next point you should pay attention to is to watch out the inventory amount to keep the bloody cash flow level. With all that being said, we all know the cash flow is really the bloody important to any business in any industry. So I won't occupy your time to mention how important it is. Instead, what I want to share is my own experience from the early stage of my business and how we operated it in our business now. At the beginning of our business, we keep the majority of our budget onto the new product and its inventory. Our plan is to widen our product range to fulfill the various demands from all kinds of customers. And we keep the sufficient inventory in order to shorten the customer's waiting time. Before we done any analysis, we pile up all kinds of stock without thinking how soon we can sell them out. And as you can imagine, in a very short time, we use up all our cash on the full house inventory. I wouldn't say that we lost money because in fact, we did have a full house inventory. The truth is we sold out the fast moving part very quick, but the awkward point is that we don't have enough money to buy the fast moving part products. The majority of the cash was stuck in the slow moving part, which is light full house inventory. After I realized this, I classified the inventory into the different levels. We divided the budget based on the product sales speed. We keep 50% budget on the fast moving item, 30% for the slow-moving item, and 20% budget on the new developed products. To classify the sales speed level, you also need to track down your monthly financial report. In my case, I will review the classification level 2 or 3 times a year, plus our past experience. Too soon or too slow is not recommended because it will generate the bias for you to determine the level. Last, according to the BizStats, the automotive repairing report, in journal, an auto body shop can make $100,000 a year, in which the mechanics can make $30,000 to $50,000 per year. Of course, this number will vary according to your repairing field, your location, or your expense. I will put down the BizStats link down below the description so you can click in to see the breakdown cost versus the revenue in details. And according to that report, the hourly cost you can charge your customers is around $70 to $100, which compares to our hourly job cost that we mentioned in the point 2 is around 1.5 to 2.5 times profit. So, as long as you keep your fingers on the pulse of your business, you can smell the opportunity and stay ahead in your field. Effectively to track these checking points can be easy but so handy to your business, especially if you are a newbie in the auto repairing business. Don't hesitate to give it a try. Please leave the comment below to share with us your own experience. You know I'm always so happy can hear from you. In our next video, I'm going to talk about the secrets of a successful repair shop. So remember to subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell. Okay, as always, I wish you enjoyed today's video, and I wish you all the best with your life, your family, and your business. I will see you very soon next time. Bye!